Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Safari Google search not working issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you are trying to searching on Safari browser and your Safari browser is not working, so guys, in this video I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, for that you have to just simply open settings, and after that you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, after making sure that your internet connection is working properly, then scroll it below and tap on journal, and from here guys scroll it below, then tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. If there have any connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect it and again go back, and from here guys simply tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of iPhone. If there have any update, then simply update it first, and after that again go back and search below and locate for the Safari. So guys, here it is. So guys, simply tap on it, and from here guys scroll it below and find here clear history and search data. So guys, simply tap on it, and from here guys simply tap on all history and close all tabs, and after that tap on clear history, and after doing this again go back, scroll up and tap on journal and tap on shutdown, and after that shut down your iPhone, and after that open your device, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.